Good afternoon, everybody. What we're going to talk about today is we're going to take a look at a 15-minute chart. It's going to be on Tesla and 9.8 million shares traded. We had a 13.36 range intraday. Here is the 15-minute chart that you can see up here and where it took a cliff dive, and it did. And the options that were traded on the turbo option side, we have the actual $325 put that was 790 and it raced up to 1650, and that expiration is 728 on the 325 put. Now we do have some call options off of the bottom, is where we had 3,000 contracts traded, by the way, and that was a 315 call, and the call charts and the put charts that we specialize in. So from 580, we moved up off of those lows and we got that side of the trade. So when Tesla was making its move, it was making its move right here on this 15-minute chart. And bam, and then we bounced off the bottom. I'm going to show a weekly chart on Tesla Motors, and you can learn how to trade. I'm going to put the Tesla right here, TSLA, and we can clearly see here on the charts is where when it knocked off hard, and it did. And we got down here to these lows right over in here, and it had that attempted rally right here, but it failed and it's come back. Not only that, this is a 15-minute chart that tells the truth in Tesla. We have a daily chart on Tesla, and we fell off the cliff. So this is what it looks like on a daily and a public trading model. You got a crossover with the 10-day simple moving average. The white line is the 50. Oh, yes, it is. Not only that, we're going to show another thing that you should be aware of, and we're going to show you the 327.50 put, which was a trade at one point. As far as the 327.50 call got down here, that is the call side of it on the 327, and we have the 327 right here that expires. You can take a look at it very carefully now. Turbo option, free option trader. Here you go. Now we hit a high of 1813 on here. Now I'm going to put the daily chart. I'm going to put the daily chart on the option chart, which you guys never trade with, and we are a master in that, and we can see how they did what they did. Once we went up to 1830, it was time to get out, and they popped that up on that bad news on Tesla. And, you know, unlike Netflix is getting big movements after hours, we need to see something like that for Tesla. And that was a 330 put that we bought here as well. And we did that on Friday. That's a 728 330 put. 1060 was the close. We went up to 1949. The low was 1059 now, and it settled off at 14.7 by 1585. As far as that chart goes, the put chart, here you go. And this is the put chart. And, you know, the put chart and the value came down in here when Tesla sold off real hard. We peaked and we come back. And ever since then, today, the stock sold down and we bought the put options. So we'll go ahead and do this. TSLA. There you go. This is the chart. It's at a critical level. That yellow line is a 100-day simple moving average. If we break that support, we go a lot lower on Tesla. One thing we're going to do is we're going to conclude this video, and we encourage you to take our free 5-day trial. All you need to do at Turbo Option Free Option Trader is simply sign up for the free 5-day trial. and you're going to be able to go through a lot of orders intraday. You're in a market making firm. It's different than the retail. Okay. Once again, we appreciate you stopping by and whatnot. And this is freeoptiontrader.com.